Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh and a very good day to everyone. Okay. My name is Jalani Abdul Kadir and I am here today with my fellow researcher Roziah Ismail from Polytechnic Tuanku Syed Sirajuddin Perlis. We are truly honored to be given the opportunity to participate in this prestigious conference, the International Conference on Social Science Immunity 2025. Okay. Today we are all witness to revolution that transforming the landscape of our social communication, and the revolution of AI, artificial intelligence. From the voice series that we use daily to video recommendation on TikTok that seem to just know what we like, AI has become an inevitable part of our daily life. However, behind this convenience lies the crucial question: what is the level of public awareness of this powerful technology? We are excited by potential, or we are apprehensive about the application. Okay. Our presentation title: Public Awareness of AI Application Current Social Communication, will discuss the finding of our study conduct in Malaysia. We hope that this presentation will open the space to deeper discussion on the critical role of AI literacy and the responsible use of technology to ensure AI contributes positively to our social well-being. AI here, shaping our world. Okay, artificial intelligence is a move from futuristic idea to daily reality, fundamentally change how we communicate. This shift, enabled by technology like a smartphone and social media, offer greater efficient and personalized experience. However, it's also bring up a significant question about its effect on the unique human interaction. Okay? Mimicking, replacing AI function are increasingly capable to performing tasks traditionally requiring human resource. Okay? Unit tool. From learning to the recommendation, AI is integrated into daily routine, enhancing convenience. Reshaping interaction, AI fundamental change human interaction, both with the machine and with each other. Okay, purpose of this study. Okay, our study seek to analyze public awareness and perception of AI application in Malaysia's social communication. Understanding these statements is crucial for the responsible development and use of AI within the nation unique culture context. Is it to evaluate the level of public awareness regarding AI's integration into daily communication, to identify specific AI application commonly encountered by the Malaysian, discuss the social and ethic application of AI perceived use, and propose strategy to enhance AI literacy among the Malaysian public. AI in daily communication, the key application. AI ability to personalize and automatic tasks has led to the integration into the numerous daily communication tools, fundamentally altering user experience of the efficient and customized content. Okay. First, voice assistant like Google Assistant, Amazon Extra, Apple Series. The main function is a voice recognition, natural language processing, like LPR. The impact is increasing accessibility, enhance productivity, and home automation. Second, chatbot or customer service. ChatGPT, Maki Contact, IBM Watson. The main function is text generation, content understanding, automatic responses. The impact: improve service efficient, reduce operational costs, change personal interaction. The third, social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. The main function, content recommendation algorithm, user behavior analysis. The impact is a personalized user experience, formation of the filter bubbles potential for polarization. Okay? And fourth, content filtering. This YouTube's comment filter, Meta AI moderation. The main function, the harm content detection and automated filtering. The impact, safe online environments, risk of over blocking, algorithm bias. Okay. This public perception of the experiment and the appropriation paradox. A Malaysian public statement toward AI reveals a complaint paradox, balancing high excitement with the significant appreciation. Okay, this is we compare Malaysian, United States, and United Kingdom. Okay, uh, this we look the Malaysian, this more than 70%. Okay, compared to US and the UK from this research process. Okay, research methodology, a comprehensive approach. Okay, one focus on public awareness, directly assess knowledge and perception among Malaysians. Okay, second, survey-based data, quantitative data generated through the questionnaire, yielding a science a specific percentage. Okay. Three, target population, participants selected exclusively from Malaysia to understand local sentiments. For categorization of the AI application, a structure evaluation of awareness across various AI technology. Five, analysis of increasing factor, statistical analytics to create demographic variable with AI awareness or usage. And six, discussion and ethical implication beyond awareness, delving into the deep social ethical consequences. Key finding from this research, mixed awareness and prediction statement. Our study revealed an even understanding of AI among Malaysians, coupled with the unique blend of the excitement and the apprehension. Okay. And even awareness, only 59.5% of the respondents claim to understand what is AI is. Okay. University students show mixed answer, influenced by academic discipline and exposure to AI course. Okay. Uh, wherein application recognition, recognized digital assistant 76.9%, self-driving car 77.3%, voice recognition 70.4%. Okay. Age coloration, younger respondents are more likely to correctly identify and use AI application. Okay. The wonder and worry paradox. Is it 77% of the Malaysian are excited about AI, okay, globally. Okay. 55% are nervous about the AI, significantly above global average of 53%. This duality can lead the passive adoption, where the benefit of embrace without critical engagement with risk. Discussion and analysis for this research, the complex relationship between society and AI. Okay, the wonder and worry paradox highlights social exception of AI driven by convenience rather than deep understanding, potentially leading to unchecked expansion of AI into daily life. Our analysis left into the Nielsen relationship, okay, unknown awareness and generation gap, yeah? Lack of foundation understand risk to divide digital social, vulnerable and manipulation. Younger generation show higher awareness, highlighting a need for widespread education interactive. Okay. Media central law. Okay, official change foster trust with a positive narrative. Okay, while personal channel influencer. Okay, perception border more critical spectrum to forget the necessity media latency and complement. Privacy, ethic, and social challenge. Algorithm bias. Okay. AI system can inherit and amplify bias from the training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcome. Okay. Data privacy concern, where data needs of AI raise significant privacy issues, with 57% of the global users seeing AI as the threat to the privacy. Okay. Black box problem, lack of the transparency in AI decision making, erode trust and make it difficult for user to understand its influence. Okay. Impact on human interaction. Over reliance on AI may reduce empathy, okay, interpersonal skill, and create filter bubbles, fostering polarization. Okay, all driven misinformation. Generative AI accelerate the spread of the content, threatening informed decision and democratic integrity. In conclusion and recommendation, Malaysian society must transition from the passive consumption to achieve critical participation in the AI ecosystem. This requires the holistic approach. Okay, this means comprehensive AI literacy, integrated AI education into the curriculum, in the curriculum from the early stage, and the launch about public awareness campaigns to equip the individual with the essential understanding. Okay, robust ethical and regulatory framework. Government and the industry must collaborate to establish clear ethic guideline and regulation, ensuring transparency and accountability in AI development and deployment. Okay, and for trust in authentic human interaction, promote and healthy balance between AI and human interaction to perceive crucial social skill like empathy and renounced communication. Concentrate effort from the government, education, and industry is essential to build a responsibility and ecosystem that prioritize human will win over more technology optimization. Okay.